Patient is all we need. Free setup is good to me.
Wrist locked tight, calculate before the strike. Initial balance draws a line, day turns to night. Divergence in the shadow, strength starts to hide. Engulf, two-bar reversal, momentum on my side.
This is the code
of Luna.
rush in the storm.
No fear of the rumor.
Base hit stack
Like bricks in a wall. Discipline the weapon, I rise, never fall. No trades, 5 minutes from the open flame. No chasing red folders, that's a losing game. V Webby Wab whispers, volume speaks truth. Trail the runner slow, let the market show proof. Tokyo fades, London breaks, New York brings the fire. CBD confirmation, the levels take me higher. Journal in my hand, I don't gamble, I build. Every line in the log is a weapon I wield.
This is the
code of Luna.
Wrist tight, face strong.
Trust in the future.
Divergence speaks.
And the market obeys. I move with the rhythm. Luna trade. Patience. Discipline. Cold. Loop the brood of Luna. Patience. Discipline. Cold. Loop the brood of Luna. Discipline.
Yo, good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone is having a wonderful session so far. I've taken a few trades already. I got a new 150k XFA with 440 bucks locked in on it. Locked out, done, count closed for the day, easy peasy. My other accounts I'm up on a little bit. On my London account I'm up 306 after commissions, 36 spot 74 306, and then up about 55 57 58 50, yeah, another 160 bucks or something, 170 bucks on another 3 Apex accounts. So altogether I'm up almost 1,000 bucks on the day so far. Let's see, 918. And guys, I have my new journal all set up for March, and my formula has something wrong with it. I thought it was all good. I don't know what's wrong with it. No clue. It worked over here. Count if. Okay, no spaces with the commas. Maybe that's what it is. Oh no, I don't have spaces. Something's not right. So everything's looking good. I'm up good. It's a Monday. I'm not gonna like push too hard here. We get a good setup, great. Yo, what up, we got Desiree in the house, Sovereign, Luna Mod, what's up, Joe? So I'm gonna just only be looking for good setups as always, but it's already it's a Monday, so we saying Monday we want patience. M is for patience. Oh, it's, yeah, can you see that there? Yeah, we have M for patience. With the Y, patience with the Y. And now we're just gonna wait. I pretty much already know what I'm looking for right now. I mean, a rejection, a 30-minute rejection off this PDL, previous day low. I might take that short. I have some more accounts to pass too. I got some evals. Oh, I have an eval too I gotta pay for, an Apex. I guess I might as well just pay for it. Start getting my days on it. So I'm gonna go use the new Apex website. Shout out Code Luna, guys. New Apex accounts. Happy to go over them. I've already been going over them all morning, and I will continue to go over them because this is the talk of the town right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and log in and I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and pay for this Apex account. I have time right now, and I have other Apex accounts, so I kind of figured I should just keep trading them. But to be able to just stack some small wins and copy trade it with micros, I feel like it's a nice way to get some days on these accounts to get towards the payout. Oh, come on, man. Nope, I keep doing the wrong 2FA code here. There we go. Yeah, so I guess I should pay for this past eval. So yeah, we have news here coming in. Thank you for reminding me, Luna's Lounge Discord community. So we do have some 945 too, but what I'm looking at is this 10 a.m. manufacturing PMI, and I'm expecting that to move the markets a little bit. Otherwise, my favorite move right now would be to get this initial balance breakout to the downside. We still have, of course, you're going to have another almost an hour for that, right? 40 minutes or something. So that'd be a short initial balance breakout to the downside, ideally below the high time frame support resistance zone. And then if you want to see, by the way, if you ever want to see my top down analysis before I get on, just skip to the beginning of the prop for match stream. I always do my top down analysis. I'm happy to run over it again here. I want to stay a little more locked in though, since I'm already been trading and in sync with the market. Oh shoot, look at gold, guys. We got that gold breakout. I was looking at this earlier. Oh man, we're getting the long now too from down here. Look at that. So I was looking at this as a this breakout short up here, and I actually had an alert set on it and everything. I didn't take it, but yeah, we ended up getting it. But look, the first time we got it, it faked out. So I guess I'm glad I didn't take it that first time. But then the second time, yeah, we broke out, and that was with the market open pretty much, right? Yeah, right before the open. Okay, that was before the open. Huh. Yeah, I could have taken that short. Clean breakout short. It looks great actually. So I was kind of interested in that, but I just don't really want to short gold right now that bad. I mean, I'm just being careful with gold, even though it's been one of my best performing assets in February. I think though that might be because I've been being careful with it since it's been moving a lot, or maybe just because it's moving, it's volatile. Maybe that's helped me get some green on it. So Nvidia just went green on the day. Okay, so let's look at the Mag 7 real quick. Wow. Okay, so with the open, we have a big shift in the structure on the Mag 7. We have 3 out of 7 going green. Well, Meta is right at break even here. So we have a mixed print now from our Mag 7 indicator. Let's look at the VIX out of cure. Oh no, not the VIX. Let's look at the ad. Right here, look, ad. Okay, ads are dropping. So sticking on ES and NQ here for Confluence, I'm going to be looking for a rejection of this previous day high on NQ, and maybe you can follow that with ES. I like that short of previous day high. Let's go ahead and put that on here, on the chart. Previous week high. It is Monday, so let's look at the previous week. Let's look at the previous week levels. So I think it's on this other chart. Let's see, or maybe we put, no, where do I have that? Right here. So I think I already have it set. We have previous week value area high and previous, yeah, so this should be good. Right, so we have Sunday. Yeah, Sunday to Friday. And I can't see where this oh, I got a 30-minute, that's why. Okay. So I'm gonna edit my previous week levels to just be with the previous week and cut off today. Just like that. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is drop back down to the 5 minutes so it calculates it a little more precisely. Because of the way TradingView does it, I don't think it actually counts the orders. Maybe prove me wrong, but I don't think it counts the orders. So I'm going to adjust this previous week value area low and just go to that. So it just uses kind of like the net volume of the candles, and it's not actually using the orders. Previous week point of control is right there at 68.82 spot 25. I'm going to lock that. And then we have previous week value area high at 69.09 spot 75. I should just use my volume profile chart for this. I'm getting there. I need to set it up a little better. I'm learning how to use a toss again, I feel like. Well, actually it's like I'm learning it for the first time. All right, so we have that. I like this weekly value area high mixed with previous day high for the short. Beautiful trade here. We also have value here, value area low, breaking above that. We have clean range up through the gap. So we do have some gap possible trades if we reject that, if we reclaim it. I'm not like a gap trader, but that's something I'd be open to learn. What's up, D100 in the house? So yeah, we do have this previous day value area low here. Rejecting this high would maybe make me want to reclaiming this may make me want to get long with the previous day value area low balance trade, but I'm not really looking for it. I think we're still making lower highs. I'm just a bear. Breaking back below PDL would actually I like that short better below PDL, so this might be a trade I at least do on an eval. Where is it? What? Am I crazy? Oh, I guess it's just getting covered up. It must just be covered up a little bit. Yeah, there it is. PDL. Okay. I must be crazy, but I'm not crazy because of that. So I'm crazy though just because I'm on here trading in front of a bunch of people. So yeah, I like this trade. This is a short below previous day value area. I mean, sorry. Well, it is. We are below the previous day value area right now. I'm watching that. We are. This is idea is a short below PDL, previous day low at 68.41, just around it. And a reclaim back down below 30-minute close would do it for me, and I might be taking a short there. Otherwise, I want to wait for IB to set and probably take the IB trade, either break, like ideally a short below previous or NY IBL. That's the trade I want. I think this is a great place for us to reject here, this previous day value area low, and continue down. I am not very bullish right now, so that's what I want to see. However, we swept the target tap, and guess what happened when we did that before, guys? We went back up to the highs. So right here, what could I expect to do? I mean, literally, I could expect us to go back up to the highs, or wherever, maybe equal highs, maybe all the way to the high time frame highs, maybe just to this point of control. So I gotta be open to that, open-minded. So because we're still in this range, I need to be open-minded. I like that. And it's Monday, so we're gonna be patient. And I'm already green right now, so I could potentially just stay green. The M is for patience. and we're in the range, so I want to be open-minded. So anyone in any trades, or have you taken any trades today? Like me, I've taken a few trades. Anyone else taking a few trades? If you're green on the day, go ahead and put a 1 in the chat. Let's see. I mean, or just call out your trade. I mean, it's a, right now chat's small. So if you're red on the day though, you can put a 2 in the chat. No trades, whatever you choose, 3 or 0. All right. So M can also be for open-minded. So I just gotta be patient for my trades to come to me, and that is it. So we're testing this previous day value area low, clean rejection right off the bottom of it on this 5-minute candle. Look at that. Like, I'm seeing these areas, like I want to scalp some of these levels sometimes. You know, when the market's moving like this, I can't help but want to be scalpy. I do have this 150k account now. I could be a little scalpy with it and size down, and you know, I can take a little heat in it, so it's easy for me to use I don't know, to kind of add into a position and build a position. So I am green on the day, so I'm gonna put my 1 in the chat, and we got these 2 trades here. Oh, when I took that other trade, how was the excuse me, how was the VWAP right here? It looks like VWAP was this must be the VWAP, right? Nope, that's an EMA. This must be the VWAP. Nope, that's an EMA. No VWAP on this chart, that's why. Okay. So let me just see, what was the VWAP doing here? It was flat. All right, so I'm just noting some stuff about this last trade on here. The first trade, what was this? This was the RSI divergence. Yep, took the trend continuation, but after a retrace. So it's weird. Higher time frame, took the HTF trend continuation, but after a LTF retrace. So I was kind of, it depends on which time frame. I was either taking a continuation or a reversal setup. Alright guys, so I'm staying locked in here, so I know it doesn't always make for the most entertaining content, but trading discipline is my #1 priority here, and I want that to be your #1. I want your payouts and trading to be your #1 priority. So if that's your vibe and you want to stick through those moments, then that's what we're here for. I'm going to draw this fib over to the right a little bit. Previous day fib. On the 150k, I will. All right, how much a payout on the 150k? So there's 2 routes now that you could take on this Top Step account. So I took the consistency route with a 40% consistency, but you can take up to $6,000 payout, and you need at least 3 days of, I think, $200. Actually, I don't know, 3 days of $150 or something like that to be able to take a payout. All right, so I'm gonna watch the 30-minute chart here, guys. We have an hourly close in 10 minutes, and I'm kind of considering this. I mean, if we close below PDL, I might do that. I might do the short. We have 4 minutes for that. It really could. Let's look at NQ. So NQ, same thing. Yeah, this has to close below the PDL, and then I'll consider it. Even though it's starting to look a little bullish here, some of the indicators are pointing bullish. But on a day like this with heavy news and the market moving, like, yeah, I want to be able to take advantage if we get a move. But to be honest, like, I'm already really green on the day. So if we had a day like this every day, it'd be my biggest month ever. Maybe not ever. Okay, definitely not never in my personal accounts. But when it comes to prop firms, it might be my biggest month. If I had every single day the same as today, it's probably my biggest month. So I think that's a reason in itself to kind of like consider locking it up, right? I'm gonna go ahead and add a bunch of trades here, so I'm ready to go. And we also have previous day mid above, but my favorite would be if we can sweep this previous day high. So I'm looking at that on NQ. I'm actually going to put an alert right there. How about that? Alert on NQ. PDH. And also I'll put an alert breaking back down below previous day low. Alright, I've set a few alerts there on NQ and then on ES2. Let's just do them. Boom. I'm actually just going to put alerts on all of these lines. Alright, I like it. This is a good area for us to reverse right now. I really do like it. The only level I have here would be either a what? There we go. Would be either a support resistance level, like a price action level essentially, or previous day value area low, which we just swept. So holding below that previous day value area low could allow me to short, but my general strategy for that would be I'd have to take it with like a divergence, because that would give me more structure here to like know I want to do the short. Like a lower high and then a sell off here and getting that div here, something like that. You see what I'm saying? Like with some structure, like we kind of have a change in structure. Like we kind of held and then we broke down and then we had div higher here while the RSI is doing the opposite, right? And so the RSI is doing this while the price is going down. That's what I'm looking for here if I wanted to take that trade. Otherwise, I want us to close below the previous day low, and I'll look for it like that. Yo, what's up, Swanga? Today's actually, I mean, I'm really good right now. I'm up about $1,000 on the day and fund it, no losses, 2 wins. So I'm kind of in a like lock it in type of mood at this point. I really might just lock it in here, but I want to wait and see if we get one more good setup. I'm totally happy to take it with this New York liquidity or New York volume, let's call it. So I'm going to delete this idea here and I'm just going to stay locked in. I'm on the 30-minute right now, so we did close this 30-minute. We have the top of the hour right now. We closed the 30-minute bullish, but still below these, like right in these EMAs. So technically, I'm allowed to long this. I'm just going to do it in an eval. I guess if it breaks these highs, I want to go long in an eval. I'm not going to do it in a funded account. No way. Alright, so I'm long in this eval. I mean, I'm already up $170, but I'm gonna try to hold it for like a full win, or maybe just for the gap fill. Maybe the gap fill actually makes more sense. What's 40% of 3,000? What, 1,200? Is that right? 0.4 times 3,000. Yeah, 1,200. Okay. So the most I can make is 1,200. So I'm just gonna try to go for this 1,200. It's just in an eval. Whoa, wait. New update to TradingView. Build smarter indicators with footprint. It's in PineScript. Alright, guys. I talk about it and they do it. Look at this. Guys, I pretty much have that max win on this account right now. I'm up like $800. Yeah, ES is about to fill the gap too. Well, it almost did. I'm seeing footprint charts coming out from TradingView. Yo, what up? Session flow in the house. Kelvin in the house. So no trades, just waiting for my top 1 ignite issue to get resolved. Still no answer. Oh my god. Is this something from last week? Because maybe I kind of remember you saying. I forget what the deal was. Guys, I'm so close to passing this account. Oh, come on now. There we go. Oh, not pass, but going for a max win on it. How about that? I think I do have the 1250. I was gonna close it. Let's see what we got here. 1150. Not good enough. There we go, 1200. Boom, max win on this eval with that break above. So I got scared to take it, and I was scared to long, but I did the strategy in a fund it. I mean, sorry, I did the strategy in an eval, and so I just got a max win on this eval. It's a Rithmic. It's on a toss. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to show that in a second here. But yeah, guys, we took this long, a 30-minute break above. What was it? 30-minute break above previous day low. I took the trade. Boom. Okay, so let me just document this. Guys, 2 max win evals today. Only 600 bucks away on this TPT. I'll show this account. Let me, you know, maybe I'll just share my whole screen. That might be easier. I feel like I have a good read on the market today, and so I kind of being a little bit degen in these evals, but so far it's paying off. All right, so this screen is crazy, guys. I don't have the best organization right now of some of these. I have extra platforms, right? So I have this set up right here. Oops. Oh no, gosh, don't do that. So that I can see my I can see my indices here, my watch list, and I can see my account dashboard here. We're up 1,200 bucks exactly. I just wanted the max win for 40% consistency rule, and then now I only need 600 more bucks tomorrow. So I'm done. I'm locked out of this account. You can see I degened it a little bit long. I added to my. It looked really good. I kept adding into it while in profit until I just had the max amount, and then I covered. So this was again the 30-minute close back in the range. Look, we're also closing back into the weekly previous week level, and I think that where is that? Is that the previous week level? Yep, we closed above previous week low as well. That's the other thing. Also above previous week low. Alright, man, I might just have to lock out here. Yo, what's up, Bullish Lambro in the house? So Session Flow said, yep, my Tradovate just, I was up in a trade and hit my TP and then it froze and just stayed frozen, and then when it unfroze, I couldn't exit anything even with the big red button. And I have sent a screen recording of it, so it should be totally good. Yeah, it might just take him a while to like verify like that they're actually, you know, I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. If you get some BS from him, please tell me. I'll talk to my rep. But I don't expect that to happen. There's no reason for that to happen. GG's. And so you pretty much went to the half target almost on that 150k already. Dang. So guys, this oh sorry, unmute it. So this, we'll put the circle on. Oh, I gotta put the circle above too. There we go. So this is my I'm just sharing the whole monitor. So let me finish my thought on this before I get distracted. So yeah, this was this trade. While I'm on here, we can look at my other trades from today right here, at least some of them. So we have top one futures from London that I copy traded into a few of my PAs. Man, I wish I took that long in these PAs too. And then I have the 150k eval that I just passed. So that was all the trades today, and I'm kind of thinking about just locking it up because I'm so good. Like I'm good on the day, not that I'm so good, because I'm good on the day. I don't really want to mess it up. I'm up $1,000 in my funded or whatever, 900, and you know, I'm probably just should lock it up. Is that what I'm thinking? Even though we have some more trade ideas that could play out, and I have accounts to trade, especially these Apex accounts, no reason for me not to trade them really. What up, vehicle enthusiast, aka car guy? I'm just gonna call you car guy. I think 2026 is very volatile for NQ. MES might be more stable. Yep, facts. I love that perspective, and I agree. I'm just trading ES or MES. I'm trying to switch back to MES, but it's kind of hard. It's hard to go back. Oh yeah, we have a giveaway to run for the we have a giveaway to run. Oh my gosh. For the newsletter. All right, let's run the newsletter giveaway. So, I might just get off, guys. Mel, yeah, I think it's time for me to go to bed. Yeah, Mel, you're still awake. What time is it where you are? I thought you were in the States. I can't keep track of everyone, I guess, but... So, any, guys, any questions or anything? I don't know, because I'm thinking about getting off. I need some motivation here. I could just take a break and stay on. We have the initial balance closing in 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll just do a quick break, and then we'll come back and look into doing a giveaway. I think we have a giveaway for the email list, which so anyone who, when you fill out the giveaways, you get put on the email list. And so if you didn't opt out of the email list, like if you didn't unsubscribe, then you're in the giveaway. Or no, sorry, if you didn't unsubscribe, then you've been getting the giveaways in your email. And you had to have followed the rules. So if you are subscribed, you can still enter and go check your email. Go to the Luna Lounge webinar, whatever it's called. What is it called? The Luna's weekly newsletter. I think that's what it's called, weekly newsletter. But either way, it's from email address lunatrades@tradesauce.co, and find that, and it has the way to enter. You enter it by making comments on videos, and we're gonna do that giveaway on stream. So before I get off, I'm gonna run that giveaway, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna take a 5-minute break real quick and come right back and see how these next 30-minute candle closes. I might be getting another trade. Even we have the value area high up here. I'm totally cool with shorting this. Totally cool with shorting this. Guys, look how well my levels held, by the way. I've had this level on here for like weeks. Within 3 points, I could have just bought that bottom all day long and been rich. Look at that. High time frame support resistant levels are goated. Right? Look at that. Look at that. And now again, look at that. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to take a quick break and we can run that webinar. I can't speak today. We can run that giveaway. And if you're not in the giveaway, you have time to now go enter. Go look at your emails and reply to the videos. And that's going to be every month. We're going to do giveaways from the emails. I don't know how many, maybe 1, maybe 2, or more. 1 or more, let's just say, monthly giveaways within the weekly newsletters. There's also some good stuff in there. Yeah, Mel, that's why I thought you were in Florida, but you're still awake. I've been up since 4 a.m. and I need a little more sleep. I need a little more sleep. Green for the day. Time for me to lock in for sure. Okay, nice. There you go. And yeah, so you're like me. You've been on since 4. I woke up at 3 to trade at 4. So, oh man, I'm not even showing my other screen. I'm such a doofus. Such a jabroni. Or a yo-yo. I'm such a yo-yo. Alright, here we go. So this is what I was showing you guys a second ago that I wasn't actually on screen. I've had this level drawn out here for weeks. High time frame support and resistance level. And look how I had it drawn. That's just how I decided to draw it, and look how accurate it was. Not that I'm trying to like say like, look, I'm right or wrong or something like that, but it's just crazy to see this. Look at that. We're just looking at this gray box. Look how close it was. It was within like under 8 points of accuracy. So I'm gonna wait. I'm looking into potentially shorting this rally depending on how the close goes. Sweeping this previous day EQ, previous day point of control, closing below it might do it for me. Because it's the point of control, I would rather it sweep it really good, like maybe even this previous day value area high, right? So sweeping all through this and coming back down, and maybe even making structure down to then short. So we're gonna wait though, but maybe even just one sweep and a candle close. I'll do it on the 30-minute chart. I'm talking too much. I got 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll be back in under 5 minutes, and around 5 minutes, let's just say, before the candle close to see if we get another trade. All right, take it easy, Mel. Get some sleep. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm just going to take a quick break, grab some water, and I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, we back. The thing is, I don't have an account to take this on unless I do it in my Apex. Man, I can't short it. I want to short it. Close back below the previous RTH mid. We didn't quite sweep the full rate, the full days mid, or that previous day value area high, and we're right back to previous day value area low. I don't know. I might not. We're still above that previous day L. I might not take this short here, even though I want to. Gee, you're short too, huh? He says, oh yeah. Of course. I was interested in shorting ES here, but it's kind of too much in the middle now. Okay, so NQ did reject the previous day mid. Oh, so this confluence with previous day mid on NQ getting rejected, and we're still above that previous day low. It's kind of a weird in between. So as much as I want to short this, it's kind of sketchy spot for me to do it. Big top wick, I guess maybe I would do it. I just want to scalp it. So if I did it, I would do it like this. Oh shit, I'm not even on the account here. Hold on, let me get out of this. Oh shit, I'm about to get filled. Trying to log in to Apex. I used to be way quicker at it than this, and make it a little bit harder. And there we go. And we're in it. Here we go, guys. Let's get a quick screenshot here. Come on now. Wait, so I'm going to tighten up my stop loss a little bit more than that, I believe. This is for the max win right now, which is perfectly with these levels. So I'm just going to take this screenshot here, trying to make sure I can see all these levels and stuff. And CVD is just aggressively selling off right now on NQ. Let's look at ES. Not aggressively, but it's starting to curve down. So it's looking good. I do want to stay locked in here. Let me just drop this screenshot in. And then I'm going to be looking to take profit on this a little scalpy today. It's a Monday. So here we go. We're about to get that 5 points. There it is. There's 5 points. So I'm thinking about trailing it already. Oh no, it's not quite 5 points yet. Okay, a couple more. That is 250 bucks right there. 5 points. I'm gonna trail it and we're out. That's it. I really could hold this right now, guys, but I took it. It's still going. I took it. We made 250 bucks on it. I don't know why I took it so quick, to be honest. It looked totally fine, but I did take it. So this was a rejection from previous day EQ. I took my minimum cover on it. I don't know why, to be honest. It looks totally fine. Everything looks really good on it. So I'm just a little bit antsy I'm a little bit scared to end red after having such a good trade. I have a feeling this is just going to go to the full cover, but I don't really care. So we're done. Sick. I think we're done. I jumped in on that 30-minute close short and ended up just taking that for 5 points, quick 250 on one of the apex, and then the other apex was just in it was like $50 each or something, two micros on each one. But I hope you I like the hold too that you have here, G, but I want it to be scalpy right now. All right, guys. So that trade, let's add it up here. That was okay, so this time we did have, okay, so we were already up $55 in that account. We were up 55.42 or something, and now what are we up? We're up 302.32. So after commissions and everything, that was a $246 win. 246.9. And so it puts us up $1,165 today, and that trade was a 30-minute. Let me just journal this, and then we're done here, I think. Well, actually, we have an IB set now, so maybe we actually get another trade. So that was at the 30-minute candle close. This is a New York session. We took that one in an Apex only. It was in ES, and it was a, what trade was that, guys? Anyone? No, anyone know? I know no one's gonna even get it right now. The way. And the setup though was based off of the previous day levels, right? Previous day. The type was, man, I don't even know what to call it here because it's kind of both. To me, it's, I mean, it's technically reversal, okay? Short setup, I just took it as a normal C. VWAP, we were like above VWAP. No, we have to look at this other chart for VWAP. Keep forgetting. VWAP is below and up on the 5-minute. $246. Screenshot is in. I want to do a couple screenshots, I guess. I want to put in the notes here. ES was at slightly different levels, but still looked like a good rejection, while NQ was a clean rejection of PDEQ, or what previously mid. And so I'm also going to put right here, it's setup level, key level right here was previous day mid. Boom. All right, guys, 3 trades to start the month off with, and we're just gonna call it there, I guess. I don't think there's any reason for me to keep trading. We have New York IBH up here. Wait, where is IBH? Yeah, up here. New York IBH. I guess I kind of want to take a screenshot with NQ. Guys, crushed it today. I hope you guys caught some W's too. If you didn't, stick with it. Man, it's not letting me paste more screenshots in, even though I refreshed. Let's try to take the screenshot again. Man, it looks like it got out at the right time. It is reversing. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, we're good. I'm adding a few screenshots in just for fun, and I think that's good though. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, I guess that's gonna be it. So anyone, any questions, anything, any shout outs or W's or something, put it in the chat here. Can we run that giveaway though? Actually, shoot, I gotta remember. Okay. Have I seen the new Top 1 Future Elite Daily account? Wait, did I miss a Top 1 Future account? I can't keep up. Okay, so we're gonna run this giveaway and then that's gonna be it. So just 1 second. Luna Mod is gonna hook us up with the results and then we're gonna run the giveaway. New Top 1 Futures account. So shout out code Luna, best discount at your favorite prop firm. Yeah. What? Say what? Dude, I've been missing my meeting. I should have been in a meeting with them, I guess, about this. So guys, we have a new Elite Daily. What is this that you say? No activation fee. So it must be an eval. Yeah, Elite Daily eval. No consistency on fund it. No activation fee. You can refund it. I'm guessing that this is a daily payout account. Guys, this is a daily payout account. And wait, how many are they letting you do right now? Guys, I'm out of touch right now with these. How many are you allowed to do? I think you're allowed to do a lot of them. End of day drawdown too. Okay, on the challenge, there's a consistency, but in fund it, no consistency. Reset fee $80, $89 a month with code Luna. Guys, look, the 50k is 109 and the 100k is 200. And then with code Luna. 45% consistency in challenge, no consistency in fund it. I'm guessing this is daily payouts though. Let's see. Let's see, frequently asked questions. Elite daily accounts, here we go. Daily payout rules. One of the core advantages of Elite Daily plan is the ability to request payouts daily. There's no consistency. 90-10 profit split. $500 minimum withdrawal amount. Up to $1,000 on a 50k, $750 on a 25k, $1,500 on a 100k. So they cap. That's why they're so cheap, and they do cap the payouts. You know, but the thing is, you only go for that first payout. You just don't go for anything more. So you end up like having, it's a little bit easier in that way because you don't blow the account and trying to max YOLO it. Daily progression rule 50%. For each payout request, at least 50% of your requested payout must come from profits generated since your last payout. So that's normal. but actually only 50%. A lot of times you have to have your whole profit. So 50% of your profits generated since the last payout. So yeah, if you go crazy and YOLO, you can't. Yeah, so that is kind of like a consistency rule if you're just full YOLOing. Okay, so you do have to get above the buffer. So it's like a normal profit target with the buffer, and then you can request anything above it. Well, up 500 to 1500, for example, on the 100K size. So I'm gonna actually show this. I don't know why I'm not showing this on the screen, guys. I had it on the wrong screen. So here's the new top 1 futures accounts. Once you get over the buffer, you get daily payouts. You just need to have at least $500, and you can take out daily payouts. So this is huge. I might do some of these. You have to pass them though, so I hate passing accounts. But these are the elite daily accounts that give you the elite, that give you daily payouts, and they are very affordable. No activation fees, guys. 100K for $109 with code Luna. For 50K, 100K, $199. Yeah, I might have said that weird. 25K, $89. 50K, $109. 100K, $199. No consistency rule, so I would trade them. Sorry, no activation fee. So I trade them pretty carefully, you know, because they're a little more expensive. I trade them very carefully, and there is a 45% consistency. So you need at least 3 days on those to pass it if you want to do it at the minimum target. And then once you're in fund it, you get daily payouts. So that's pretty cool. All the firms are competing, guys. This is crazy. Yeah, good time to be into prop firms, I think, while they're very competitive. All right, so I think we're all right, guys. So we have a giveaway going to the people who are part of the who follow the instructions and are part of the email. I'm just gonna spin it. All right, so small list here. We'll email you if you win for being part of the giveaway. I mean, for being part of the newsletter. I want to reward you guys, and if you're not part of the newsletter, we'll drop the link here so you can join. Maybe we can drop a giveaway link, and then that way we can use the same giveaway link for the next few days. And if we do another giveaway, we'll use the entries from it, and then that way people know how to sign up for the newsletter. All right, guys, we're gonna run it. All right, let's hit it. Good luck, everyone. So good luck, good luck. Get your I don't know, I was gonna say get your racers ready, but we're not doing a twin race, we're just doing the wheel of death. So good luck, everyone. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's hit it. Yeah, man, session flow. I didn't see you didn't do the giveaway. All right, guys, let's run it. Oh, it's gonna be Annie. Let's go. It's Annie. I don't even think he's on today. It's like the one day he's not on, but we're gonna email it to him. Let's go. I actually don't know how my no, Brick, the form, this is the giveaway was from the newsletter. The giveaway, where have you been, Brick? He's too busy sending it with 5 minutes and making payouts. No, the giveaway was from the form, or from the newsletter, and you had a comment on one of the videos, and we took the entries from it. So, congrats, Annie. Let's go ahead and email the winner here. We're doing the giveaways a little more creatively like that. So there is the form is in, guys. Sign up for the newsletter by hitting up that form. And if we do run a giveaway in the next week, this week, we'll use the entries from that form to get you another entry. Okay? So that's another thing we could do. We could do the entries yeah, there's a couple ways we can do this, but sign up here for extra entry on the next giveaway. And remember, every month we're going to be doing a newsletter giveaway. So that's how these people got entered. It was only like 15 people or something on that list, right? That's a very short list. So very good chances here. And some people got 2 chances because they commented on both videos in 2 different newsletters. So I think the plan is on each newsletter, there's going to be a link to comment on a video. Put your comment in, that gets you 1 entry. So if you did 4 newsletters throughout the month, then in the future, it'll probably be 4 videos, 4 different comments. And that can get you 4 entries to the giveaway. So guys, that's gonna be it though. I'm all green and I'm all set, and I already went over my trades. Everything's good. No one asked any other questions about the trade, so we got that giveaway. I'm happy Andy won because he's always on. He's always on here bugging me, and he deserves it. So guys, GG's. W's on the sesh. Happy 1st of the month, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We might be getting an IB breakout up here. I might be taking it too, but it might just be off stream. So if you guys are in Luna's Lounge, I'll be in there trading with you, and maybe we get another trade here in Luna's Lounge. So I'll check you there. Links in the description, guys. Code Luna for best discount, and shout out new Apex accounts are live. New Top 1 Future account is live. We got new accounts all around. Code Luna for best deal. Thanks for the support. Peace out, guys. W's in the chat. I don't know if there's anything else I was gonna share, but I guess we should just give it a good there we go, and that will do it. Peace out.
Every tick is a voice, every candle a question. The market is an auction, and only the patient find the truth.
It's the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline the weapon, this ain't no game. This the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline the weapon, this ain't no game.
Market is memory, anchored in pain. Levels get tested, patterns remain. Greed says double up, fear says quit. Patience whispers wait, that's the voice I commit. Every loss is tuition, every drawdown a class. Every journal line written makes the knowledge last. No chase, no tilt, no revenge on the tape. I'm the product of the process, there's no escape.
It's the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline a weapon, this ain't no game. This the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline a weapon, this ain't no game.
Value builds slow where the orders agree. High volume nodes mark the path I see. Excess means turning, rejection in play. Auction finds fair price, then it walks away. IB forms the map, the breakout's the test. Failed auction calls bluff, separates the best. Volume is the language, context the key.